South Africa. My name is Zandi. The surname is Mfega. I am the host for the podcast called Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfega on YouTube. At this present moment, help me wish my very own son that I adopted via my podcast, Uzanele Mathenjwa, ukubhala kwezivivinyo zokuphela konyaka kukamatikuletsheni okuhle. Umlando lo owenzakalayo la. From a victim to a victor, from insults to glory, from pain to pain-free. This boy has conquered and has been through a lot in everything and anything that has happened in his life. And one thing that you might not have known, ukuthi uZanele is going to be the first child esiswini sikamakhe to ever have completed umatric. There is nothing that I wish for him than the best. Zanele mfana wami, know ukuthi from now onwards, I love you from the bottom of my heart. The world is your oyster, and from now moving forward, your family is looking up to you and having hope on you. Ukuthi you are going to break the generational curses and you are going to take them out of poverty. From the bottom of my heart, I love you and I wish you izivivinyo zokuphela konyaka kamatikuletsheni okuhle. From me, your mama Zandi Mfega, ngiyakuthanda. Uphumule, udle, and uzinikeze isikhathi. Konke lokho okufisayo kuzoba okwakho. Ngiyakuthanda mfana wami, ubhale kahle.